Hey everyone, it's Zach from thebearfix.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Monster Jamz headphones from Monster. Same people that do like Monster cables, so you know you're going to get quality with the product itself. Just information, music is your life. Obviously we all listen to a lot of music through our BlackBerry torch. So we're going to put it all through here. Let's get that closed down. There we go. Okay. Solid metal construction, so you're not going to hear any reverberation from the plastic. It's going to be true audio. Let's take a quick look. Unboxing. Obviously, when you're paying a little bit of money, they're $100 from BestBuy. Maybe I'll find them a little bit cheaper online, but you get your own little. Oh, no, there we go. Your own little carrying pouch from Monster Jamz. Let's take this out. Just tape. So you can still just the cable, everything. It feels really, really good. They're made of metal. They're not cheap and plastic like the ones that come with the BlackBerry. There's no microphone built into this, so you can't talk, but they're really good for obviously your music. Okay, what else we have? Welcome to the world of Monster, all their different products. We have, a bunch of different ear tips. If these ones don't fit you, one of these probably will, I'm pretty sure. Warranty card. Quick start guide if you need to learn how to use headphones, I guess. And what else do we got? This card about the creator in a way, I guess, for these headsets. But yeah, it's everything. You can see there's just metal construction, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So they're $99 at Best Buy. Take a look. They're not in our store yet. I don't think they will ever be, but if not, we have a huge selection there of different headsets. But take a look at Best Buy, Walmart, any electronics retailers that sell it. They're about $99. That's everything, guys. Thanks.